We are starting something new over in our Skool community, the U World Order, and I have created a separate community called the Substack Starter Space. It's just an experiment to see about blogging basically on Skool. But in the process, I discovered that you can pin from Skool to Pinterest. And so I want to talk a little bit about how to pin from a community that is not your own and get referral traffic from it. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to do that. What you're looking at right now is Tim Adams' community called the Pinterest Skool. And he has created 2 pins right here. He's getting ready to create some community boards for us. And so I want to save these pins to my Pinterest board. And I have to go over here to Pinterest. I actually have 2 accounts, so I'm going to switch over to my other account because I've already pinned to this one account. All right. And then we're going to go back over here to okay, go back over here. So the first thing we need to do is turn this into our referral link. And the way we do that is we go over here to the invite people link and we copy this, and we're going to go paste it someplace, because you're going to need to pull this piece after the question mark off. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to close this. We're going to come up here, and do you see this question mark P equals whatever? We're going to get rid of that. We're just going to go right over it. We're going to hit Control V, and so now we have a referral link to this thread. And then we're going to hit enter, so we make sure that it's picked up this referral part on here. This is really important because there are some communities on Skool where you can actually earn money by having people join somebody else's community. It's called an affiliate link. And you want to have your referral code, which is the same. This is the same code for every single Skool community you join. You want it to be attached to these pins. The next step is to go up here and click your little Pinterest extension. If you don't have this extension, you can just go over to your extensions and or click your little buttons and click on the manage extensions or get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Almost every browser has some way to get extensions. So you want to click the Pinterest extension, and then it's going to pull up all these images that are over here. You only really want to pin long images, so I'm going to pin this one and this one, and I'm going to hit next, and I'm not really sure which one I want to put it in. We shall put it in Pinterest marketing. Okay, and so we're going to go view these pins. And I'm going to click on this pin. I'll give it a heart while I'm over here. And then I'm going to click Visit Site. And you'll see that it's picked up that referral code right there and added Pinterest's other stuff to it. Okay, super simple, like I said, and that's all there is to it. So it also means that you should, if you have a Skool community, you should be creating long 2 by 3 dimension images to add to your posts, because it makes them pinnable. And so you're just, instead of putting a GIF with your post, add a pin or 2. It's super simple. You're making images anyway. You may as well let other people pin what you've got going on. And if we can get, some momentum behind this, it could be huge for the school platform altogether, but for communities, and it's a great way to be able to share affiliate links in different ways. All right, that's it. You can join my Skool community by going to skool.com/u-world-order/about, or you can click the link in the notes below. We'll see you on the next one.